Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Torguard, found at www.torguard.net. This service provides a comprehensive suite of privacy and security tools, allowing users to enhance their online anonymity and safeguard their data. One of the primary features Torguard offers is its Virtual Private Network, or VPN. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic, masking your IP address and shielding your online activities from prying eyes. This is particularly useful when using public Wi-Fi networks, which are often vulnerable to hacking. Torguard's VPN service boasts a wide network of servers located across the globe. This extensive server network allows users to connect to servers in various countries, effectively changing their virtual location. This can be advantageous for bypassing geo-restrictions and accessing content that might be blocked in your region. Beyond simply masking your IP, Torguard employs strong encryption protocols to secure your data, protecting it from interception by hackers or other malicious actors. They offer a range of protocols to choose from, allowing users to select the option that best suits their needs and priorities. In addition to the VPN service, Torguard offers other privacy-focused tools. These include encrypted email, which secures your communications, and anonymous proxy services, which further enhance your online anonymity. For users seeking a comprehensive privacy solution, these additional features can be invaluable. Torguard aims to be a one-stop shop for all things privacy and security online. They cater to a wide range of users, from casual internet browsers looking for basic protection to power users requiring robust security measures. Their services are designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Torguard's website provides detailed information about their various offerings, including pricing plans and server locations. They also offer customer support to assist users with any questions or technical issues they might encounter. While the specific features and functionalities are constantly evolving, the core focus remains on providing users with the tools they need to maintain their online privacy and security in today's increasingly complex digital landscape. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive privacy solution, Torguard is certainly worth considering. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details.